Hello and welcome to Zombie Love Creations. Are your cords a tangled mess and every time you look for a specific cord, you just can't find it? Well, this drawer is a nightmare. So off to the drawing board to create a homemade solution. I'll be using my Cricut Joy to cut out the perfect shape. I will highlight my actions with a red star. First, I'm going down to Shapes. I'm going to click on the square. I'll go down to Edit and Unlock. Next, I'll go over to the width and change it to 2.5. Then I'll go over to the height and change that to 4.5. I'll move it up here next to the shape I created previously. And I'll go ahead and change the color so the layers that I'm adding will be easier to see. So I'll go down to Shapes again and choose the circle this time. You don't have to worry about unlocking it because we want the circle to be round and even all the way around. Change the circle to 2.5 and press enter and it'll change for you. So then I'll go ahead and drag this up on top of my pink rectangle. I'll go down and open the layers so you can see everything that's going on. So now I'm going to go back to Shapes and add another circle, changing that to 2.5 as well. I'll then change the color so it's easier to see. We'll go ahead and leave this over here. So I'm going to select both the circle and the rectangle, go down to Slice, Contour, and hide the top corners. Then I'll go ahead and bring the purple one up. Since it's on the bottom, I will arrange it and bring it to the front. So now I will select the rectangle and the purple circle so that I can also go down and slice it. You'll find it under Actions. So then let's go ahead and hide those two corners as well. So then you select the whole thing, you go down and you weld it together, and voila! You have the perfect shape to cut out with your Cricut.